Guys, just look at the contrast between old and new buildings. It is such a mesmerizing scene that I'm really overwhelmed with the sight. These are some 100-year-old buildings in south central Mumbai, and in front of you are ultra modern buildings, high rise skyscrapers. You can see. And interestingly, I just want to tell you one more thing, that the front glass one building is a commercial official complex. Otherwise, other tall buildings are multi-storied residential complexes. Wow, that can happen only in Mumbai. So basically, it is a South Mumbai area. These were old mills, and Bombay was a cotton town, means a town full of cotton mills, because it was a coastal place. I mean, it is a coastal place, so the nearby states of Gujarat and central Maharashtra, Vidarbha area, they used to supply a lot of cotton. So cotton industry, it was developed here, and it was a major port. It's a major port. Still, it is a major port. But earlier, since sea transportation or the ship transportation was the only major means of transportation, so Mumbai was a famous port by the time. There's another mill over here, and most of these mills are now redeveloped by big anchor developers or promoters or real estate developers, because they know the value of these places. They buy from their hires or the owners, and then they redevelop it as per the need of new Maharajas or the rich and urban noble wealthy people of Mumbai. Wow, that's a stone facade. Stone is interlocked into the arches and wall. What a wonderful sight in front of me. And that building must be some 100-year old. I mean, this wall now it's abandoned and it's in a ruined state. That's a famous people tree, quite common in India. And there you can see that old roof truss on that pediment. So basically, it's a mix of modern buildings and old buildings in contrast. And I'm happy to capture it, because these things will not be remain here for more than 2-3 years now, because some other developer or promoter will develop some multi-storied or a big commercial complex here. So I thought it's a good idea. I should capture these buildings, which otherwise would be a piece of history after a few years. There's the local stone, grey, what should I say, that I think the slate or some local sandstone from the local quarries of nearby hills. And look at that, the multi-storied buildings, high-rise buildings. What a wonderful sight in front of you. Just look at the contrast of old and new. Now the famous red yellow taxis of Mumbai. So guys, I was walking through the street. So somehow I got this amazing view, and I thought I should capture uh, the scenes or the buildings or the panorama here, so that you can also feel it. So hope you would enjoy it, you would like it, and thank you very much. Show me your appreciation by way of comments, likes, and if you need some other improvements. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.